Can't we talk to you? I mean, why? Danny asked Mr. West that question because 1 week earlier, on July 12, 2013, Mr. West had shouted at photographers, quote, "Don't talk to me. I don't want to hear paparazzi talk to me." Civil rights. California Civil Code Section 52.1. Article 1, Section 1 of the California Constitution guarantees certain inalienable rights to persons in this state, and it has been designed specifically to include the fundamental right to pursue a lawful occupation. We allege that at the time of the attack described in our lawsuit, that Mr. West sought to prevent Danny from pursuing his occupation as a professional video photographer, and that in perpetrating that attack on Danny, that Mr. West attempted to interfere and actually did interfere with Danny's exercise and enjoyment of his fundamental rights to pursue a lawful occupation, which is secured by Article 1, Section 1 of the California Constitution. We are seeking general and punitive damages according to proof at trial. In addition, we are seeking injunctive relief. We are asking the court for an order preventing Mr. West from touching, striking, annoying, molesting, contacting, attacking, threatening, or otherwise interfering with, directly or indirectly, Daniel Ramos, and or the right of Danny and all persons seeking to pursue the occupation of photographer. Cher also reportedly tweeted on July 21st, 2013, quote, "Dear Kanye, thank you for trashing those loathsome parasites who steal our most precious gifts, time and privacy. We can never get those back," end quote. Kylie Jenner, in discussing Mr. West's attack on Danny, stated, quote, "It's not like he would flip out on them for no reason," end quote. Kylie, we disagree. The video of the incident is clear. All that Danny did was to exercise his right of free speech. If Mr. West did not like what he heard, he had a right to exercise his free speech and respond in words. But he had no right to attack and batter Danny in response. Celebrities enjoy many privileges. They are rich and they are famous. But they do not have any right to physically attack anyone simply because someone spoke to them. They need to respect people like Danny Ramos, who are simply doing their jobs and trying to earn a living. Being in public means that we all may hear statements that we may not like. But that is the price we all must pay in order to uphold the right of free speech. Definitely supports our argument.
Ms. Otter, do you want him prosecuted, Kanye West?
I think that it's overdue for the prosecutors to make a decision as to whether or not they think there is sufficient evidence to prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. After they make that decision, then I would have a comment on what their decision is. But right now, I don't wish to make a comment.
Just to be clear, has the city attorney contacted you about prosecuting him, and what did they say?
The answer is no. Neither the district attorney nor the city attorney have been in contact with me about this matter at all.
Has Danny been advised not to photograph Kanye anymore?
By whom?
By Danny.
No, I mean,
let's say he
has he been advised by whom?
by you or anybody.
First of all, I with all due respect, I never say what advice I give to a client. And anyone there can be photographed. And if a person does not wish to be photographed, then they certainly enjoy their right of privacy in their own home. Once they're out in a public place, they are subject to being photographed. You know, we're not going to condone any abuses by any photographer, but there were no abuses in this case, and most of the time there are no abuses. The fact that it is annoying to a celebrity to either see or hear from a member of the press is just that.